Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the AMD Software Package Error 1603 that says, a general error has occurred during the installation of the AMD software package. This should be a pretty straightforward process, so let's jump right into it. Method 1. Repair Visual C Redistributables. Open the search menu and type Control Panel. Open it, and in the top right, set the View by option to Category. Under Programs, select Uninstall a program. Look for anything with Visual C in the name. Click on it, select Change, then choose Repair. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Repeat this process for all Visual C entries. Finally, restart your computer. Method 2. Download the latest AMD software. Open your browser and search for AMD Radeon software download. Go to the official AMD website, Drivers and Support. Enter your product and model details. Then click on Submit and then OK button, and then you would go ahead and actually download the applicable software for your device. So again, that's going to be custom for your computer. You can check your system properties. Choose your Windows version, Windows 10 or 11, and download the driver package. Once downloaded, run the installer, click Yes if prompted, and proceed with installation. Note, since I don't have an AMD card on this PC, I can't show the install steps, but this is how you should proceed. Method 3. Run DISM command. Open Search, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Copy the DISM command from the description of this video and paste it into the command prompt. Let it run. This may take a few minutes. Once done, restart your computer. That's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you fix the AMD Error 1603. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.